Hey, good morning. Just checking how the market's doing for this week. Haven't done much because of vacation, but just trying to get it back to the market and see how things are, and just possibly looking for an entry. So we will check the index. There was a drop, and seems to be a bounce yesterday that tried. Market tried to bounce yesterday. Also this morning, looks like there's some volume in the morning. China stocks bounced up now, just falling. China stock bounced in pre-market and dropping during the market opening. Same thing here. Market bounced in the pre-market and now it's selling off a bit. Uh, the Russell's trying to get back to the 20-day moving average. Labu made a 2-day bounce from the 4-day low. So there's a little drop in the market since there's a gap up in the pre-market. Stocks as well try to bounce. SQQ still holding. And it seems to be dropping off from the 21-day moving average or 20-day moving average. So the market still does show some strength with the bounce from yesterday. We'll just see what happens. So bull, ACLS, semiconductor bounced this morning, all of a sudden, 8%. GFS, Wolf, ON, LNTH. Vessler, First Solar. So this is a nice breakout from the morning. ACLS. We entered here. Breakout failed. But not much volume. 12. Tesla split. Looks like there's a 1. It's starting at 300 here, so 295. The split came this morning. Baba gap up at pulling back. Microsoft pulling back. Dollar Tree just dropped. Snow. So software names bouncing and then pulling back. So I'm getting a mixed signal here in the market. One day it bounced up, one day it bounced down. There's not a lot of volume. The semiconductor seems to be strong. See all three names here: ACL, GFS, Wolf. They're all semiconductors. ON semiconductors. Marvel semiconductors. Solar. You got Fissler. Oil. Check the 9 million volume. Nvidia. Tobacco company. TQQ. Little gap up on TQQ. This morning gapped up. Now trying to pull, bouncing up the 10-day moving average. But this looks like a weak structure short. Waterfall decline. 2 days, slow moving bounce. If the market's right, going the right, this should be like that. So this should be like this for restructure. All right. That's the next. Like that. Peloton, plug. This seems to be a huge bounce from pre-market. Bed Bath Beyond's broken. There's a huge pump up and a huge sell-off down. People must have lost a lot of money. Drug, nothing here. It's buyout here. Look at these cap ups. Sign first. Market trying to recover. TGD, that's again weak structure short. 3 days to try to bounce and low volume. Can't bounce, so that'd be the next step for TTD. Same here. A lot of looks like market's pulling back based on the setups here. The market shouldn't gap up. Let's check the studies. Wolf gap up, still pulling up. Semiconductors. It's not a stock you want to play, right? Bounce right up and then right back down. ARHS setting up. Key level here. BT level. This one's just trying to build a range to go back up. Usually with that setups like this. BA, BCA, B cap here. This is a drink. Low cap. Not a lot of volume for this one. A lot of the biotech names setting up. This stock looks weak. It's weak structure. Same as this one. This little power bounced here. See what happens. AMC's dropped to $9.63. That's crazy. See what's beating. 23. Splunk dropped. So technology's dropping. The Nasdaq, the week bounce for 2 days in a row. Technology. There's a weak bounce in technology. That's a weak structure short as well. So on the bear side, there's the Nasdaq showing weakness. There was a little gap up in the morning, but most of the technology companies are selling off during the morning. I'll check the our scan here. ACLS showing very strong strength. So semiconductors for sure showing strength today. Will it last? I'm not sure. Team also trying to bounce from the 20-day moving average. See what happens. It seems to be a strong pull buy up there. CMCI. Crocs. LNTH, slow moving. Choppy too. If you want to enter, you enter Fisker today. But already made a bounce yesterday, a strong bounce yesterday. Every time it hits this range, it fails. And see if it's resisting. So it kind of show resistance a little bit here. And then, the resistance shows some support once it passes. Oil, this HPK, just a gap up. Every day there's a gap up here, gap here, gap up here. It's just going straight up. Team showing a little strength now. It's pulling back from the support level. See, past the support level here. Today would have been a good entry. So market does show some improvement. There seems to be some gap up and also some strength of stocks breaking out. But volume wise, not a lot of stocks breaking out. That's my concern. Because in the morning, usually this number here, the 24, usually is like 10 times that. Around like 200 stocks if it's a good market. Well, the breakouts half an hour ago didn't give up strength. Still building a strong base. So it seems to be better. Baba bouncing. It's like things are showing improvement today. It's a weird setup here. This is already a long. It's a huge breakout here. 59%. Hudson's Technology breaking out. Just selling my SQQ as it broke the 20-day moving average. It's no longer a good buy. So sold the SQQQ, made a little bit of profit there. Now I'm looking for a nice setup to enter. Slower moving stock, moves in gaps, but this seems to be a good setup here. Let's check the weekly. But it's building a range on the weekly. There's a lot of weak structure, short, a lot of setups that are showing weakness, and now a lot of breakouts. So I'm still, you know what? I'm not going to sell the SQQ, but I'll set a stop at $38. So if it hits here, hits there, then it's a sell, automatic sell. I don't see any stocks to enter right now, so I'm just getting get out. I'll probably log in the afternoon just to check what things are. But right now, so not giving me a lot of confidence. There are signs of strength, but also showing there are also signs of weakness. So a mixture of both here. So I don't know where the market's going, so I'm not gonna enter unless I have a clear vision, a clear understanding of where the market's heading. But so far, semiconductors is one of the strong stocks for today.